What's up, guys? My name is Nick Bowdy. I teach about freelance digital marketing, going and doing a side hustle, making money online. That is my space. That is what I love. What we're going to talk about today is retail arbitrage, okay? And I'm going to dive in step by step from doing your product research, getting that product at a discounted rate, and reselling it at a higher price. And getting that pocketing that extra income that you have between the two. So let's get in my computer and let's dive in. We're going to go ahead and get set up with an account on eBay. So you're going to go to an eBay seller hub. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and click here. Okay. So here's my seller hub. I'm going to go ahead and go to my listings, create listings. And so what I'm going to have is orders just so you can see. So I definitely have different products up already. Okay, so we're going to add a new item. So let's hypothetically say I went to a garage sale this morning, and you're probably thinking, okay, so what do I got to do? How do I know where there's a garage sale? There's a really interesting, cool app. Okay, it is called Yard Sale Treasure Map. All right, and what you'll do is on the Yard Sale Treasure Map is it actually is a database where it'll pin on Google Maps all the different yard sales around the area. So you can go ahead and pick up. Let's say, for example, I picked up this mug here for $5 at the garage sale, and I want to sell it for $15 online. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a listing. All right. So once you've created your seller hub, it's free. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put one up for a listing here. So let's go ahead and get set up. Okay, so create listing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and tell us what you're selling. Okay, coffee mug. Fair enough. And what we're going to do is we're going to skip, okay, because it's none of these. We're going to skip this, continues without selecting a product here. So when we create our list, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and put the title coffee mug. Don't worry about subtitle. Don't worry about custom label. The category looks like home and garden. Usually eBay will go ahead and pre-select this for you. And what we'll do is don't worry about UPS. Condition, we're going to go ahead and put used. And we're going to go ahead and put our description of very good condition. Okay. And under photos, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually take a photo of the coffee mug right now. And I'm going to airdrop this onto my computer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit add photo. Now we have our picture uploaded. So let's go ahead and scroll down. There are a few things that you need to fill out. Normally, I don't really fill a lot of these tabs out. So definitely the coffee mug is going to be the type. Okay, we're gonna click that. Don't worry about brand. I don't worry about material, color. I don't, they just want to see the picture. Okay, so let's scroll down. There are a few things you need to fill out. So you'll have to fill out the item description. Okay, very good condition. You don't have to get too crazy with the description. Price, I want my starting price to be at $15. You can buy it now for, let's do $20. Okay. If they want to buy it now, you can offer just a little bit more higher price. So we have it on a bidding system. So that anyone can put a bid in, and you can either accept or decline this listing. As people come in and they start asking for your product, asking for prices, what your final price is, and so the best thing you want to do is really just stay firm with your price. Okay, especially if it's something as small as $15, be firm with it. Okay, somebody will buy it for $15. I can tell you that. All right, so I have my payment options: PayPal. Put your whatever your email address is going to be, and don't worry about any of all this. Okay, we're gonna hit list items, see what happens. And congratulations, we have successfully put our first item up on our business page on our email seller hub. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and complete and say I'm done now. Now you want to check periodically, how your listing's doing. I like to check usually every day, every couple of days, how many views am I getting? That way you're going to be able to have to make some changes if, you're not getting a lot of traffic. But really, it's very organic. Usually you just have to sit back and wait, and you will get some offers as you go. Obviously, the more items that you put up, the more likely you're going to get transactions on a regular basis, and you'll be able to hit that $1,000 a month additional income, which is really cool. So I hope this helps everyone. Feel free in the comments if you have any questions. I'd love to answer them for you. I've been doing this for about 6 months now, and I'm averaging between $700 to $1,000 a month, just going to garage sales, going to Walmart, going to Target, and finding very, very discounted or wholesale or any type of lower price. So when I list this, I'm going to list it for a much higher price. Okay, and people will buy it. So again, I hope this helps. Thanks.